I believe it, I see it, I'm gonna achieve it because it is written in future for me. It's gonna happen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to 2021. Today's going to be a different type of video. A lot of you guys answered my poll like 2 days ago, maybe a week ago, depending when this video goes up, about what video you wanted to see next, and that's the poll right here. You guys voted for my 2021 goals and also the 2020 goals that did not come true. I think everyone should create a vision board and hold yourself accountable. Write down your goals in a journal, hold yourself accountable. It's not the vision board that does the work for you. You have to do the work to make the vision board work. It's just a reminder that you're gonna put up and just stare at every day in an area, and it's gonna hold you accountable. What do you want to accomplish for 2021? Please put it down below. I love to talk about people's goals. So what's a few of your goals for 2021 that you want to accomplish? I'm gonna go over mine, and then we're gonna go into the ones that did not happen for me in 2020. Hint, it was a pretty good year for me. So let's go ahead and do what you see in the title of the video. I am heading for a $100,000 year in 2021. I'm not very big on big money goals. I kind of just like to stay within an area that I can sustain. I'm very much appreciative of the money that I get, but I might as well dream big for 2021 because I think I can hit it. And that's gonna be a really big goal. So we're gonna go over my next one. So if you see here, I have a $100,000 check written out to me. And that is what I foresee all of my businesses to combine together that is going to get me where I am envisioning myself at the end of 2021. And as you can see, December 31st, 2021 is the end date of that check when I should be cashing in. Hopefully I can do it before then though. Next up here is what you guys are watching, my YouTube channel. My goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers on my channel. So this is actually my channel picture and what it actually looks like when you go to my channel name, 100,000. This is the number I've always wanted to hit for years, haven't hit it yet. Last year my goal was 55,000 and I hit that. It's been a really good ride, you guys. I appreciate every single one of you, and I get to talk to so many of you with my Notary 101 class. A lot of my subscribers, I get to meet you, we get to talk, we become friends. I hear your goals, I hear the things that you're trying to achieve, and that is one of my favorite things, is taking your screen names and putting it to a face where I can talk to you one-on-one up there and help you guys make money as well. So maybe we can all become 100,000-naires in 2021, but 100,000 subscribers is my goal for this year, and I really think that I can make it. According with that, it's gonna have I have my little pictures of my YouTube play button and also a video camera saying new video, so that goes with the 100,000. I have a quote for the year, and I hope this is a quote for everybody as well. You're going to say it, believe it, achieve it. I am big on manifestation, I'm big on blessings with God, and I'm also really big on affirmations. You will be affirmative in the things that you want. We're not gonna speak in the negative. I don't want that, I don't want this. We're gonna be affirmative. I want it, I see it, I achieve it, I have it, it's there, it's written in the future already for me. So I really wanted to put that quote up here because it's something I really, really believe in. Next up, I have two pictures of me working on a computer. So working from home, continue to be able to work from home, maybe even being able to work on the beach somewhere. I did that in 2019. I was able to work on beaches when I was traveling around the world working as an ESL teacher. It's one of those jobs that I told you guys about in my 7 streams of income. I'll put it up here if you haven't watched it. 7 streams of income you can do. ESL teacher was one of them. I was able to travel the world with my then boyfriend and work. I worked in Mexico, I worked in Costa Rica, I worked in California. Oh my god, it was so much fun, and that was just the year of travel. So I want to continue to be able to do that if the world opens back up. And speaking on the world opening back up, I also have 3 places that I was supposed to visit in 2020, but you know, Mrs. C, you know who Mrs. C is, ruined that for everybody in 2020. I want to go to Spain. These are all the bucket list places that you can visit in Spain. I'm actually more interested in going to more of the areas with all the beautiful, beautiful buildings and beaches and stuff. So Toledo and Malaga, I want to go there. I really, really, really want to go there. Panama. I want to go to Panama and look for properties there with my now fiance. And I also wanted to go to Virgin Islands to look for properties there. I'm not so thinking that I'm gonna buy a property there in 2021. I just really want to get there to start looking to see, can we afford it? Can I afford it? And is it a cash base? Can we get financing? Just seeing what the market is like over there. How close can we get to the beach with a beach view for the money that we would possibly have in the future? So, I mean, if the blessings come with real estate there, then I'm gonna take it. But it's more so let's get there and let's figure it out, and also let's explore there. So we have travel and we have a plane that is going to initiate it. And if you guys know, I have the world map on my arm, on my wrist, and it's just always reminding me to travel. So traveling is a really big deal for me. It really just opens your eyes up to people who can teach you other things, different cultures. I love it. 2021, if it opens back up, hopefully we can go there. Entrepreneur, that is the big buzzword for me. A lot of the times I used to call myself a content creator because I was on YouTube and I wanted to create things, but I just don't think it embodied who I was to a T. And I believe entrepreneur, that is the word that really sticks with me for how I see myself. And that's why my $100,000 check also says made out to or for entrepreneur. It's because I kind of resonate with that word more for what I do and what I'm going to create. Now, one of my top goals for 2021, you guys, is creating planners. So I have it right at the top up here. It's kind of light. The printing was really, really light. I want to create a planner for not only notaries, but people in business, you know, boss babes, boss men. I want to create a planner, and it's mainly stemming because I need one. So this video is going to go up before my tax video. And in the tax video, me and the bookkeeper, that's her job, she's a bookkeeper, and she gathers up taxes for businesses so that they have everything they need to be sent to their accountant. And I'm gonna have her up here so she can talk more about her taxes. And she said that you should really have a notebook that you write everything down with. Yes, you can have your stuff online, but you want to have the paper copies as well. So where are you gonna put those paper copies? You want to be able to take something around with you so you remember to put those receipts and what you spend and log it into a book. Have a ledger. So out of that, created a passion project. This is the prototype of the planner that I'm making. I'm actually going to make two different ones, hopefully a spiral notebook one, and then we have the binder one. But I have been staying up until 1 a.m. in the morning working on this already. I started working on this like December 20th, and of course it's going to be my 2021 goal because I'm still talking to warehouses and manufacturers. But I'm making the prototype. It's going to come in rose gold, like my wedding ring. It's going to come in white and gold, and it's going to come in like almost a rainbow stripe color. Those are the first three that are going to be coming in. And in it, you're going to get dividers and notes. But the most important thing that I wanted up there, this is not the actual inserts of it. This was like a prototype. You're going to get your monthly summary. You're going to get affirmations. Write down things that you did well this month or that you want to work more on. It's going to have charts for expenses. A lot of the things that I looked up online when trying to find a ledger was that it was either a very ugly, boring paper ledger with mileage and gas up there, and I was like, that's not fun. I want to create one for boss babes like us. So I created a budget, so it has your income and your savings and your debt and your fixed expenses. You're going to also have an affirmation and reflections page, and you're going to have a debt tracker, so if you take loans out for your businesses, whatever you want to do. Supplies, expenses, and income checks. So the name of the book is the Hustle Planner, and it's because on my channel I promote many side hustles. I don't think you should just do one thing. We're here to create 7 streams of income or more, and I cannot wait for it to come out in 2021. So that is one of the 2021 goals I am already working on, and I have to succeed. I have to succeed because it's up here. If it's up here, it's got to be done. Some of these are long-term goals as well, but also I would not mind hitting them in 2021. So the next one is becoming a real estate investor. I want my dream Airbnb to buy is an A-frame cabin. That is my dream Airbnb. I also have Airbnb host up here, and I have tiny house business. As you guys know, I put a down payment on a tiny house. I actually put down my second down payment December 23rd for it to be built. We're getting the materials. 2021 is coming true, and hopefully by June 2021 I will have my second tiny home if the first one goes well. I believe it, I see it, I'm gonna achieve it because it is written in future for me. It's gonna happen. Next up, we have renovations, and I have my dream master bathroom right here. We're gonna also be working on the stairs and the hallway of renovating this house. I wanna renovate it to my dream, how I want it to look, but also so we can raise the value and maybe do a cash out refi and put a down payment down on another property. So maybe an Airbnb property, or maybe a long-term hold, or maybe flipping. That's me and my fiance's dream together, is to flip houses, own real estate and all that. But I'm really more into doing it myself at this point. I've always been like an independent person, not really asking for help when it came to my dreams. But because I have him and he's a part of my life, and sometimes you just can't do things on your own, I'm very happy to say that I can bring him along with it, and hopefully, you know, we could just be a dynamic duo. But I know I don't talk about him much on my channel. A lot of people say, a lot of my students come on my Notary 101 and they're like, oh my god, I didn't know you were even like dating someone, like you're like engaged and all that. So yes, I am. I'm gonna keep talking about it because it just happened and you guys know it just did, but I'm happy. It's a happy 2021 and I just feel it in my soul. It's gonna be great. I also did put my fiance up here, and I just wrote a note saying I never want to stop making memories with you. We traveled all 2019 and I want to continue that on in 2021. I want to raise my credit score to 750. I'm in the 700s right now. I want to be at 750. So that seems like an achievable goal, right? That seems pretty achievable. Those are my 2021 goals. I actually wrote them down November 7th because I was excited to write those down. And now let's go over the ones that didn't come true in 2020 when I wrote them back in 2019. I actually shared these on my Instagram before the year ended. So a lot of my Instagram followers actually saw that. So I had two sets. Personal goals was 5, and then business goals was also 5. So 10 in all. So my 2020 personal goals that came true and didn't come true. Number 1 was to save back the money I invested in all of my businesses. I'm halfway there, but not quite. I don't need to rush I don't really need to rush that to happen. It's gonna happen when it happens. I'm almost there, so that includes my vending business. I did not save everything back to start making a profit. Save an extra 5K on top of that savings? Yes, I totally did save an extra 5K on top of that, and that's how I was able to invest in my tiny home business, and also I had other business opportunities that I saved so that I can invest in my tiny home. Pay off credit card. You guys saw how much debt I'm in. I'll post that video right here if you want to see it. I paid off 1 credit card and I have 1 more left, and I'm pretty sure within the next 3 months it'll be totally paid off. Travel to Europe was number 4. No, Mrs. C ruined that. You guys should know who Mrs. C was. Continue to stay positive, optimistic, and trusting my intuition. I think I put that on every vision board or goals because I really truly believe in it. All right, now 5 business goals. Begin making profit after startup costs to be paid back. No, of course, only halfway there. Number 2, secure 1 to 2 mall locations. My business plan and structure actually changed throughout 2020. I was actually almost very close to securing a mall location, and then Mrs. C hit. And I just realized that it wasn't for me. That place didn't open back up for a lot of business. So I think I'm happy that I didn't actually get in there. It was for a reason. 3, partner with a charity. I partnered with the National Cancer Society. Very happy for that. And then number 4 was to get 10 bulk machines. This actually flows into number 3. And I am changing my business strategy. I actually haven't talked about this online yet, and that is that I do not want bulk machines anymore. I just want all full line because I like the experience of pulling dollar bills out of machines and not just coins. And the last one is to put all credit card readers on all my locations. I have 1 new location, so I have not been able to do that. I have to get a credit card machine for that. So those were all my 2021 goals and my 2020 goals. Put down below what some of your goals are. I'm super excited to talk to you guys about it and see what really comes true in 2021. I'm very excited. I have a big smile because I just know it's going to be a great year. Let me know down below, do you guys do vision boards? And if you do, what did you put on it? So I will talk to you guys later. Make sure you subscribe if you've never subscribed to me before. Give this video a like, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.